Guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to tell you using may, might. So may, might are called modal verbs. Are you watching my video for the first time? Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications whenever I upload a video. Guys, in this video I'm going to tell you using may or might. Right, let's start. You look at the question. Where is Nikhil? Where is Nikhil? How do you answer? So perhaps you may answer like this. He may be at his office. He may be at his office. He might be on the way. He may be going to his office. Rahul might know. Right? Somebody asked a question, so you can give any one of the answers or you can give other answers. For example, if the answer is like this, he might be at his office, what does it mean? He may be, or you can use might also. So he might be at his office or he may be at his office. Okay, so there is no difference here. You can use might or may. So there are sometimes we use may and might differently. We'll come to that later. So look here, he might be at his office. So he might be at his office means there is a possibility that, okay, this is talking about possibility. So it is possible that he is at his office. That means, so there is a chance and there may not be chance. That means, so it will not be also. That means he may be at his office, he may not be at the office. So he might be at his office. He might be on the way. He might be on the way. So there is a possibility, not sure. Okay. And he may be going to his office. He may be going to his office. That means, so he is on the way. So you just guess that. So he is on the way. Next, Rahul might know. You ask Rahul, Rahul might know about him. That means there is a chance that Rahul will know about. So we use may, might for the things when we think there is a possibility. So when you think there is a possibility, there is a chance and you are not sure about it, you use may and might. Okay. So he might be at office. That means there is a possibility that he is at the office. So if it is in the past tense, how do you use? For example, see, so if you talk about the things, a possibility in the past tense, so you have to use may have plus V3, might have plus V3. Right. So look at the example. He might have gone out. So where is your brother? Where is your brother? He might have gone out. He might have, okay, he might have traveled a lot. He might have bought something. He might have been asleep. Right. So in the same way, next, she may have done it. She may have done it. Okay. Do you know whether she finished her work or not? She may have done it. She might have done it. That means you are not sure. Okay. And there is a possibility she can finish it. Okay. So that's why we say she may have done it. Next, they might not have known about it. They might not have known about it. So do your parents know about it? They might not have known about it. Okay. Next, Raju may have troubled them. Raju may have troubled them. So why they are avoiding you? Raju may have troubled them. So Shruti might have stayed at home. Right. So where was Shruti yesterday? She might have stayed at home. that's why she missed the party. Guys, so this is using may and might in the past tense. Guys, in this video we learnt using may, might, and we looked at how do we use in the present tense and how do we use it in the past tense. So if you like this video, like it, share it, and comment and subscribe. So when you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.